So this is the new Global Industrial 12,000 BTU in-wall AC. As you can see, they're still working on the final parts of it. They still gotta put paint on the wall and whatnot. Cap that thing over there, and it'll be done. But it's working, and it cooled the room yesterday. It was 79 degrees in here, and then when I put it on, it took about 3 hours and then went down to 69. And this whole room is nice and cool. Nice and cool. Cools the whole room. And I went outside for about a half an hour, came back with the sign, and this whole room right here, this whole hallway was cool with it. Nice and cool. And that's the Mitsubishi 18,000 BTU mini split that cools the living room, dining room, and it cools into the hallway.